Baby, I told y'all I was gonna start shopping at Walmart, and Walmart has definitely came through again. Hey cousins, welcome back to the channel. What's up, y'all? So excited to be doing this video today because baby, listen, I told y'all that I was going to start shopping at Walmart, and I think y'all gonna like these couple pieces that I picked up, and I'm also eyeing a couple of more things, okay? So cousins, do me a couple, two, three things, honey. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Make sure that you comment in the comment section down below as well. So let's start with this look that I have on right now. Now, the details of this dress is this. This dress comes in 4 different colors, y'all. And so for all of my cousins who love black, this dress also comes in black as well. Now it goes from sizes 1X all the way up to a size 4X in this dress. Now I got my regular size, which is a 3X, and the brand for this dress is Terra and Sky. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly, okay? Terra and Sky. Now y'all, this dress is super soft. It is a light sweater material, so it's not heavy, so it's definitely good that you can wear on like a cool fall night and you're not being overly hot. You know how sometimes you get something and it be like overly heavy? Not this particular sweater, and it's soft too. You know how sometimes sweater material be kind of like itchy, like? Not this. It's very soft on the skin. Now y'all, I decided just to keep it simple. I paired it with my gold necklace, rings, and also watch. The necklace that I'm wearing actually came from Ashley Stewart's, and of course my jewelry, the watch and my rings, those actually came from Amazon. Y'all see them all the time, okay? And my shoes are the famous shoes that I have been wearing that I picked up from Macy's, which is my gold shoes, y'all. But I want to insert this style board that I created. My original thoughts when I saw this dress was like, you know what? I'm gonna mix this with some leopard. But of course, my items did not come in enough time. So I was like, let me show my cousins this style board because this is actually how I was really going to go in and style this dress. Also, y'all, because this is a solid, now listen, you can actually mix and match as far as when it comes to colors. So you don't have to be, well, I don't want to say basic. You can also play with prints as well, which makes the outfit like fun and exciting, all of the things, okay? Now, one detail that I love about this dress is the split. So it's a very modest split. That's what I like to call it. Very modest split. And it has the 3-button detail on it, which I think is cute. It's cute, okay, cousins? And drum roll, please. Y'all, this dress was only $19.98. Baby, run and go get you one or either all the colors, okay? So very much so affordable for you to wear, y'all. Now, this next look we're going to get off into is this velvet plush 2-piece. Well, it's not a 2-piece set because they're actually sold as separates on Walmart site. Now, this is from the Sofia Vergara collection, y'all. Here's the things. I'm gonna start with the things that I like about it, okay? Because I got another little, I ain't gonna say, it's not a dislike, but I got another little thing I'm gonna tell y'all, okay? Number one, great quality. I was like, come on, Sophia. Like, she did that. The quality of it, the make of it is awesome, okay? Even the velvet, y'all, the velvet is very soft. Y'all know, like, back in the day, velvet used to be, like, itchy sometimes. Like, it's not like that. It is a lined jacket and also with the pants, too. I love the flowiness of the pants. It has pockets. With this, I definitely think that you can go in and mix and match the pants with something different and also the blazer. So one of my that I came up with as far as the blazer, when I initially saw this on the site, I was like, oh, baby, I'm gonna take this blazer and I'm gonna pair it with my little booty shorts, because y'all know every now and then, baby, I like to be a little fast. Throw me some tights on and also some knee-high boots, right? So when I saw that, because I don't have a blazer like this in my wardrobe, so I was like, yeah, that'll work. Even with the pants, you can go in and mix and match the pants with something different. My thoughts were, when I saw it, I was like, ooh, I can do a nice cream off-shoulder shirt to be able to go with these pants, y'all. Now, the sizing in this is the pants, I got in a size 24. The jacket, I got in a size 3X. So here is the thing. On me, it is very generous when it comes to sizing. It's actually a little bit big. I know that y'all cannot see, but in the waist area, y'all, I had to take the pants and pin them at the back because they were big on me. So I actually probably should have got a 22 in the pants instead of getting the 24. And then, of course, in the jacket, I probably should have got a 2X instead of getting, not a 2X, y'all. Yes, I mean a 2X instead of the 3X, right? I think I was saying XXL. That's what I had in my brain, was XXL, but that was not it. 2X is the correct one. Because it is a little big on me. So what I am thinking is to be able just to get this tailored to fit me how I want it. Because I really don't want to send it back. I don't want to go through the thing and send it back and then order again. I don't want to do all that. I'm just saying, I don't want to do all that. But get it tailored to be able to go in and fit my body, so that way it's not so oversized baggy. Because putting it on, that's what it's like. And then I had to pin the back so that I could put the pants on and all the things. Okay? So that was my only little part. Now, I will say this. If you have bigger arms, then this would probably, the blazer probably is okay for you. Right? Because it would definitely, I have a lot of room, y'all, in the blazer when it comes to like the arms and stuff like that. Because y'all know I be liking to do the chicken in my blazer to make sure that I have enough room. Now, the cami that you all see, this cami, y'all, I've been had in my closet for quite some time. I got it from Target maybe like a year or two ago. So you can definitely, if you go in and decide to get this look, you can definitely play with the cami when it comes to colors. You can even do a purple, you can do a gold, you can do a real pretty green. Like, you can just really play with this because of the color. Now, the color of this is actually called a French toast, but like when you see it in person, y'all, it's a really nice velvet. Like, it's a, like, for real nice velvet. I ain't gonna play with y'all, okay? I ain't gonna play with your coins like that. Now, the price on the pants were $19.98 if I remember correctly, and then the jacket was like $30. So, yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, you got your whole look for about $50. You can't beat that, and it is good quality. Now, of course, the shoes, my famous shoes, the gold shoes that I picked up from Macy's, I just decided to rock it with this. So with this look, y'all, on a scale of 1 to 10, I definitely go in and give it a 9. And the only reason that I'm giving it a 9 is because, like I said, the sizing is very generous. And then, too, I want y'all to keep in mind, in real life, I'm short, okay? Then I have a short torso and all of the things. So my height is 5'5". So for me, it was just a little bit bulky on me. But I still wanted to show this to y'all because I definitely love the quality of this set. Cousin, are you a current or inspiring entrepreneur or creator? Well, listen, I know you're probably like, I want to grow my social media. Or either maybe you're saying, you know what, I need to be making more money in my business, and you're trying to figure out that missing piece. Well, cousins, do not worry, because I went in and I created a whole YouTube channel where I'll be going in and doing step-by-step tutorials, teaching you how to be able to create content for your brand, also teaching you how to increase your impact within your brand, and then most of all, baby, we'll talk about getting to the bag too, okay? And I've also went in and opened up a free Facebook group where you can be able to join other like-minded individuals because, honey, you do not have to do this journey alone, honey. Entrepreneurship can definitely be hard, okay, cousins? So you can either scan the QR code on the screen or you can check the links down in the description box below. Now, honey, let's go ahead and get back to the good stuff. And another dress that I picked up from Walmart is this little green, sexy little off-shoulder dress, y'all. So this is another one that is actually from Terra and Sky as well. It is available in 4 different colors. And again, for all of my cousins who are maybe looking for something black to wear this season, it is available in black just for you. Because I know how we are, honey, when it comes around like the holiday time, baby, like, give me a black dress. Give me a black dress and I'm going to be all right, okay? So, y'all, this dress is actually the same material of this dress that I'm wearing. Is actually very soft and it's also stretchy. Now, I did get a 3X in this dress, y'all. So, the 3X that I'm wearing is actually labeled a 24-26. So, this one here is just a teeny snitchy bit big, but it's okay. It's not like overbearing like the set was. But I love the dress, right? Child, I like it. Period, poo. Period, I like it. But I just kept on my gold shoes with this particular dress, gold necklace, and also gold jewelry. Now, I want to insert this a different way that you all can actually be able to go in and style this and make this more fun for you. Add some prints. Okay, add zebra, black and white. If you want to go in and add zebra, black and white, you can also even add color prints, right? With this particular green, like the oranges and the browns and the golds, to be able to play along with this color. Because it's definitely giving Christmas party, office type vibes. It's cute, simple, and yet sexy. And then the off shoulder, I like what the kids are saying, period. Like the off shoulder is really what did it for me. Now I did keep my necklace simple, but I want to also give you guys another style tip with this dress. You can definitely have what I consider to be maybe an over exaggerated necklace, just to be able, because it's off shoulder, right? You can definitely do an over exaggerated necklace with this look, just to be able to go in and jazz it up. So just remember, y'all, like your accessories when it comes to dressing, especially when there's a simple look like this dress, like you can literally, as I like to say, go in and overdo it in a sense. Just to be able to go in and actually bring this piece to life, y'all. And so what I'm going to do is I actually linked some of my favorite black-owned brands that have statement pieces that you guys can be able to go in and purchase, or as I like to say, over-exaggerated, honey, down below, so that way you guys can put this look together all the way. All right, y'all? So, cousins, those are the pieces that I actually picked up from Walmart. I do have my eye on a couple of more other pieces from Walmart, and I will personally continue shopping at Walmart because I'm liking this. Like, this is affordable. Like, you can take $100 and get you some clothes, right? You can take $100 and really get you some clothes and not break the bank. That is what I'm actually enjoying about shopping at Walmart. So I hope that you all are enjoying and love shopping at Walmart too. Also, the size exclusivity. Some items go all the way up to a 5X on Walmart's website. So that's even better, right? To give us a more wider range of clothes that we can actually wear, cousins. So, cousins, please let me know how you like the Walmart video down below. Please talk to me, honey, because I'm going to talk back. Make sure that you are following me on Instagram, also TikTok, at Style with Shauna T. And honey, join the Cousin Crew. What is the Cousin Crew? The Cousin Crew is our email and also text list that's actually linked down below as well, cousins. And honey, that's all of our church announcements that we have. So cousins, as I tell y'all at the end of every video, baby, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently, honey, and make sure that you do what? baby, make sure that you own it. Okay, cousins, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.